Hello children, this video is for class 4 subject English grammar chapter number 13 and the topic of the chapter is articles a, an or the. So children, in this video we will do some more exercise of the chapter. So let's begin. First exercise is fill in the blanks with a or an. There are few sentences which are not completed. We have to complete it by writing a or an. So first is I have dash uncle who is dash artist. So what should be there after have? I have dash uncle. So students, see here uncle. The spelling of uncle is UNCLE and this word is started with vowel. When the word starts with vowel, we use an. So here should be an. I have an uncle who is dash artist. Here also we can write an because the word is artist and the spelling of this word is ARTST. First letter is a vowel. Next, dash lion and dash mouse were good friends. Lion and mouse. We have to write a or an before the words lion and mouse. So lion and mouse, both words are started with consonants. So when the word starts with consonant, we write before the words a. So there should be a lion and a mouse were good friends. Next, the bee is dash hardworking insect. Hardworking. Here we have to fill before the word hardworking. 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 So here what should be right? What should be written? A. The bee is a hardworking insect. Next, Jia left her house dash hour ago. HOUR. इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा आर ना कि हावर. तो आर जो कि एक वोवेल साउंड दे रहा है, तो यहाँ पर क्या होना चाहिए? एन. हियर शुड बी एन आर एगो. नेक्स्ट, डैश वन आइड बेगर स्केयर्ड द चिल्ड्रन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फोकस on the word one, O-N-E, one. So what is the pronunciation of one? W-O-N, one. यहाँ पर W-O-N वाला pronunciation आ रहा है. So there should be a one-eyed beggar, not an one-eyed beggar. O-N-E, one का pronunciation one होता है. O-N-E, one, one means W-O-N वाला है one. स्पेलिंग भले ही वॉवेल है, वॉवेल से स्टार्ट है, लेकिन प्रोनाउंसिएशन उसका कॉन्सोनेंट है. सो इसलिए यहाँ पर अ होगा. अ वन आइड बेगर. I have been working in this place for dash year and dash half. I have been working in this place for dash year and dash half. So students, see the word year, Y-E-A-R, year. We know that the article a is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. The letter Y, E-A-R. See the word Y-E-A-R. Here in this word, the letter Y can function either as a vowel or a consonant. जो ईयर का Y लेटर है वो एक वोवेल और कॉन्सोनेंट दोनों की तरह फंक्शन कर सकता है. In the case of the word ear, Y-E-A-R, in the case of the word ear, it functions as a consonant. ये जो ईयर वर्ड है ये या तो वोवेल और या तो कॉन्सोनेंट दोनों हो सकता है, लेकिन इस केस में जो ईयर है इस केस में यह कॉन्सोनेंट एज अ कॉन्सोनेंट फंक्शन कर रहा है. सो देयर शुड बी अ ईयर, नॉट एन. सो फॉर अ ईयर एंड a half, half, half. So there should be a year and a half. Next, the king had dash army of 5,000 brave warriors. So here what can we write? The king had an army of 5,000 brave warriors. Next, the computer is dash useful machine. Useful, the word is useful. So useful, U. First letter of the word useful is U, but it pronounced as a consonant. The word useful functions as a consonant. So there should be a useful machine. Useful Y. यहाँ पर इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन किससे स्टार्ट हो रहा है? Y से. So यहाँ पर अ होगा, ना कि एन होगा. So children, your homework is you have to do all the exercises whatever I taught in this video or in our previous video. Do the exercise in your book and send it to the class group for correction.